Hello viewers. Today's our topic of discussion in video is how to prepare ourselves eligible and fit for this competitive age in India. Now we observe that due to globalization and rapid industrialization, there are many jobs and people and many students are receiving higher education. So the number of educated people, persons, youths are increased today in India. So among these, there is a fierce competition between the aspirants for their jobs. So how to prepare ourselves fit and eligible for higher jobs, for high bulky salary jobs that is seen in this video today. Now we will observe. Today in modern world there is cutthroat competition in every sector. The main source of bulky income is higher education. So many aspirants are trying to their best of ability to receive higher education from famous renowned institutions. To keep Indian youth or school students fit and efficient for competition of globalized world, our government has taken very reformative and revolutionary steps. During British rule, the whole educational setup of our academy was transformed and given shape so that there develops clerical servants who will assist them in running their administration smoothly and efficiently. But after even British left, India still followed same pattern of education, forgetting Indian culture and traditional heritage. They forgot their precious old traditional values and spiritual mode of imparting education to people, to students, in which comprise development of hand, mind and heart. But today, in cyber age, there is running speedily mechanization and technological transformation of education which will build up super brain which has a lot of constructive, innovative ideas and creative progressive faculties of mind. Daily hundreds of new logical theories are generated about operating electronic machines. So ordinary academic education has no value and low and medium talented students are unfit to receive this specialized hard education and they are switched towards doing servant's job. If you intend to be eligible for today's fastest robotic competition, then you must develop infinite resourceful intellectual potentialities which will work speedily and all-roundedly in all directions and all spheres. You must have to think and imagine everything differently in all dimensions. You should be capable to execute your dreams in practical reality. You must be expert in giving world a substitute and alternative thesis for every entity which would be novel and benefactor to all common people. Thus this is scientist age, and if you have all scientist methodology of imagining and implementing your all thinking processes in practical reality, then you are fit in this competitive age. Lastly, I will express my opinion that you are eligible in this competition age only with super brain and super novel ideas come in your mind which have a lot of creativity, progressiveness, productiveness and constructiveness in its nature. Thank you.